Hey, Coach Matt, my back is always feeling stiff and I feel like I need to crack it. Can you give me some exercises, please? Ooh, Fat Matt, stop doing that. Send this to someone that's always cracking their back just like that. All right, I'll make sure I do that. In the first exercise, you're gonna lie face down and bend the knee. Then you wanna slowly straighten your body up. Okay, I'm gonna test that one out. The second exercise, you're gonna lay on your back and put your feet on your knee, lean over and hold for 15 seconds. That second one, I don't know if my knee could do that. For the last exercise, you wanna lay down on your stomach, bend your legs, and swing your body to one side, gently. That third one right there, I heard that one was great. Thanks, Coach Matt. I'll make sure I send this to any and everyone that's always cracking their back.